Welcome to our channel. Arris Surfboard vs Netgear, in-depth comparison. Setup and usability. Arris Surfboard, plug it in. Wait, done. That's it. The web interface is basic. Just shows what you need: speed, status, connected devices. No dashboards, no gimmicks. Perfect if you hate tech headaches. Netgear, setup is a bit of a journey. Genie app, web portal, multiple logins. Works fine, but if you just want plug and play, it's a little much. That said, if you like tweaking settings, this is your playground: codes, parental controls, device prioritization. Speed and reliability. Arris, surprisingly solid, handles your ISP speed easily. No drama. Streaming? Gaming? Fine. Wi-Fi isn't top-tier fancy, but it works. Rarely drops connections. Set it and forget it. Netgear, faster on paper, especially with Wi-Fi 6/6E models. Multi-gig ports, fancy antennas. If you have super fast internet, you'll feel the difference. But sometimes it's overkill, and firmware updates can be a pain. Price versus features. Arris, cheaper, gets the job done, no frills, good for most homes. Netgear, more expensive, especially high-end models. Tons of extras if you care about parental controls, VPNs, or advanced Wi-Fi features. But you pay for stuff you might never use. Thanks for watching.